Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can send emojis with effects in iMessage. So select the text message box, go to emojis, select the emoji you want, and then you're going to I'm just going to select three, this one, and that, and then there, and then select the send button for a few seconds, and then here's where you can send it with an effect. There is invisible ink, gentle, loud, and slam. You can also use the screen one here, which is send with echo, and I'm just going to scroll to the right to see the options. There's send with spotlight, send with balloons, send with confetti, send with love, send with lasers, send with fireworks. I'm just going to choose this one, the send with echo, and then press send. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!